Well, many people may have altered their plans this Christmas and now New Year. Parties have been cancelled and people have been urged to remain cautious. But in England, the Prime Minister Boris Johnson has refused to place any new restrictions on those who wish to see out 2021 at mass events. That's despite high daily infection figures being recorded day on day, and it goes against decisions made by the governments in Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland, who have all decided to impose limits on numbers able to meet up at social gatherings. But as the clock strikes midnight and 2022 begins, where will the UK be? Mr Johnson hasn't ruled out bringing in new measures in January, and the NHS has started building what it's calling surge hubs at hospitals, areas that will be able to house around 100 extra beds to start with, in a move that health bosses have called a backup insurance policy in case the latest surge in infections do translate into a rush of hospital admissions. And while the public have been urged to take lateral flow tests before meeting up with friends and family, there have not been enough to meet demand. Appointments too for PCR tests have been maxed out on booking systems, and the Health Secretary Sajid Javid has now said that he'll triple the amount of lateral flows available to 300 million a month from early next year. But with pharmacies already having to turn away people who are requesting them, either to check if they might have the virus already or to get out of isolation early, there are now new calls from medical unions for frontline health staff to be prioritised from now on. Makin-Isherwood, SABC News, London.